just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.
Hey, what's up you guys, it's Nikki and welcome to my 2018 to 2019 school year back to school clothing haul. This is my third year in a row I've ever done this on my channel because, you know, I've only had my channel for 3 years. If for some reason you want to go watch the last two, I'll have them linked below. I always have a playlist of each back to school year videos. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say, so let's get right on into the video. Okay, I'm just going to start with the first place I went, and that is Forever 21. And so the first thing I got there was this pencil skirt. I'm not a pencil skirt type of gal. I am pretty, I'm fluffy. I'm not like, I wouldn't consider myself like overweight or like fat or anything, but I'm not skinny either. Just chubby. So like, I'm definitely not a pencil skirt kind of gal, but this looks pretty darn good on me, I will say. It's a medium if you'd like to know. Yeah, okay, moving on. I think I made that weirder than it needed to be first off the bat there. Okay, the second shirt is super cute. It is like this businesswoman, but also like going out on the town shirt. The tie comes about my belly button, or right above it, and it's pretty low cut. But the sleeves it falls just right. I'll definitely have to wear a t-shirt under it for my school. I say this every year, my school dress code is, if you wear like shorts or skirt, it has to be fingertip length. For jeans, no holes above the knees. Our shirts have to have sleeves. You can't have like too much chest out, no stomach out, anything like that. So yeah, I'm not complaining awfully about it because I mean I don't have like school uniforms or something, but first look, this would not be school appropriate because of the stomach and the chest, but I can make it school appropriate by just adding a tank top. So it's super cute. Regardless, I'll wear it out of school. Yeah, so it's Forever 21. Next place I went was Hot Topic, and I got a new 21 Pilots shirt. I wanted the new one with their new logo on it, but whatever, it's fine. They were literally like, I don't know if you've ever been to Hot Topic, but like, it has a wall of all their shirts, like, and like, just showing the design, like a square, and then underneath it has like the rack that it sits on and like says all the sizes, how it's folded. And literally that shelf where all the new logo is, not new logo, new colored logo, was completely empty. So I just got the one from the Blurry Face album. If you do watch my very first back to school clothing haul, it is my very first one with a pilot shirt in it. And that thing is, we need a new one. And then I got this bracelet, and it just has 3 little garnet beads. I think it's super cute. Yeah, it just looks like that. It's really a simple bracelet. I also thought it could be worn as an ankle bracelet. Next place I went was H&M, and I got these super cute shorts. They are black and white, striped. Oh, they're just everything. They're so cute. I love them so much. And then I also got this sweater because it's just a black like cardigan sweater that you just like, I don't know why I put it on like that. Like one of these sweaters that you just like wear every day kind of thing. Yeah, I got it because this is what I wear as a jacket like in class and stuff. So I get one every year from pending places. This year the first place I saw it was H&M, so that's the first place I bought it from. Next places I went to 2 different Goodwills, but doesn't matter, I'll just show it together. First thing I got was this dress. I'll say where this it's originally from Target. It's just this long flowy black and pink and yellowed flowered. It looks kind of ugly off, but it's got sleeves totally like above my right above my knees, so it's totally school appropriate. It's super flowy and super cute. And then I also got this little like cardigan thing that was originally from, I really do feel like the brand No Boundaries is sold in Walmart. No, maybe not. Maybe it's like a JCPenney's or something like that. Yeah, because Faded Glory is Walmart. So I feel like this is like a JCPenney's. I don't know, whatever No Boundaries is, that's where it's really sold. It's a little like cardigan, just has little sleeves. And this is just for like dresses that aren't sleeved. I can just throw this over so it really doesn't mess up the dress. It just kind of makes it all right, or shirt or whatever. This maroon flannel. It's really cute. It fits me nicely. I like flannels. I think it's cute, so maroon flannel. The flannel has no tag, so I can't tell you where it's originally from. This shirt's originally from H&M. It's maroon. It has a black collar and a black cap sleeve. It's really cute. I didn't buy a ton of back to school. That was all. I didn't buy a whole lot of back to school clothes. I just bought some like new little pieces because like it's the end of summer and we're like, you know, the first day of school you're like, well, it's not fall and I bought all these fall clothes. So I do that every year, that I buy all fall clothes and then like for my back to school, and I don't wear anything until it's fall. I just wear my other stuff. So I just bought like a couple little pieces because I have clothes. Like I don't not have clothes. And then I figured like once it's fall I'll get some new stuff. So I'll have like a fall haul. Once it's winter I'll get some new stuff, so you'll have a winter haul. Once it's spring I'll have new stuff, so you'll have that. Once it's summer, we already did a summer haul like this summer, so you'll definitely have that. And then it'll be like college haul. and then next year I'll be too busy buying all my apartment stuff and I won't ever get new clothes again unless a company sends them to me. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see me do next. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on Thursday. I love you guys so much, and peace out.
Life is up here, but you comment below, and the comments will always become common motivation to promote your show's next episode, so your brain knows to keep going even though